All right, nothing to do with painting. So, how the world works these days is when you're still under warranty and stuff breaks, they send you the part and they say fix it yourself. Should we watch the YouTube tutorial? Probably. Are we going to? No. Let's wing it. Before. Taking out the screws. Lottie Dottie. We likes to have ice. Anything to sell tickets. Come on. It's not working. Now, what do we do if we strip these? Are we totally hosed? Probably. Come on. Hey. We're getting somewhere. There had to be a better way to do that. I had to reach big fingers up in there, and let's see if we can get electrocuted. Nope. Not today. Come on. Release. You will release. It's possible that in the distribution of outcomes, we should actually watch the YouTube video. At one point it did work, because there are ice cubes in there. And then, the important thing is, this is what you do with your old ice maker.